What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in today's video I'm going to unbox another Dolby Audio soundbar from ZEBRONICS. As you know, the Dolby Audio is like another level audio experience. So after listening to the Dolby Audio, I don't like the normal sound at all. The normal soundbar, I unboxed the Dolby 5.1 soundbar. That sound was good for the price range, but the Dolby audio sound is totally different and much better. So this is another one, and that's the model number 9530WS. So it's a Pro Dolby 5.1 soundbar, and let's unbox this thing and then check it out. So I have took everything out of the box. Now let's take a look at the soundbar and accessories first. So that's the soundbar itself. On this side you can see the ZEBRONICS logo, and on this side the Dolby Audio logo is right there. And the white is a bit because all the power supply and amplifier circuit are inside of the soundbar. As you can take a look at the back, you can see that's a rear speaker output socket, and that's a subwoofer out socket, that's optical, and that's a line in 2.5 mm, that's USB, and that's a HDMI ARC. And below that there's another small socket right there, and it's written there for update. So to update the firmware of this device, and this socket right here, I don't know how to do that right now. We're going to check it out later. That's the AC power in. That's the rear surround speaker, and that's another surround speaker. The wall mount for the soundbar, and here in this packet the accessories are there: the remote control, the power cord, and the aux cable, and the mounting fastener screws and all. And that's the QR code for user manual. So that's the soundbar front side. Metal grill is there, and as I can see, one driver is right here. That's the center, that's the left, and that's the right speaker. And the display would be here, I guess, as I can see right now. And the top side is like piano gloss finish, so it's going to get dirty easily. And on both the side, here you can see this white line is there, and on this side too. These are for the RGB lights. And from the sides, nice design is there, both the sides. And on the right side, the on-off buttons and play and mode selection buttons are there on the right side of the soundbar. That's the satellite speaker, front metal grill, and design is same just like the soundbar, as you can see from the side. The depth of the rear speakers just like the soundbar, and at the top side same like the soundbar, nice design. And here you can see the silver plating is right there, and at the back you get the wall mount option, and at least I guess 15 feet of wire length for the rear speaker, and same with another one. So now let's take the big boy out. So that's the subwoofer itself, and this thing is quite bigger in size. And on the right side, that's the subwoofer driver. It's a 6.5-inch driver, quite big enough. And at the front, it's nothing else, just the ZEBRONICS branding at the bottom right there. And at the back, there's this nice air passing port at the top, and at the bottom the wire is there. So that's it. Okay, now the important part, check the sound of it. So let me just quickly connect all the stuff, and we'll be back in a moment. Just stay tuned. So I have connected everything, and you can see that's on standby mode. So let's turn this thing on. So you can see the blue light on both the sides right there, and now you can change them using this button right here. You can see it's purple now, pink now, red, the olive green, green, light blue, kind of white. So now let's connect this thing to my mobile phone using Bluetooth. Alright, it's connected now. Let's play some songs. So you heard the sound. It's very nice. And another thing is that once you connect it to the Bluetooth, then if you use the remote or the mobile phone, the volume is going to be same, unlike the other system. Like you can see now, I'm decreasing the volume from the remote, and here you can see the number, and again I'm increasing the volume from the mobile phone right there, and you can see the volume there is increasing. So it is like that. So you gotta remember that when you're connecting to the mobile phone, don't increase the Bluetooth volume to the high. And another thing is that the bass is huge, and even at the -5, you can hear the bass is pretty good, and it's hitting very hard. So this thing is amazing for the bass lover. The bass lover is gonna love this thing. So let's check some more songs. You could tear my heart apart, it's still in your eyes. I wanna dance with you till the end of the night. I wanna dance with you for the rest of my life. Don't you know you'll always be my girl? You know I wanna dance with you till I'm losing my breath. I wanna be the one you can never forget. Don't you know you'll always be my girl? You'll always be my girl. I was really enjoying it, so I gotta give it some time for burning in, like half an hour or 1 hour, then it's gonna come to its full potential. So after that, I'll make another video, the detailed sound test of this thing, and then gonna give you the full review of how it sounds, the loudness, the clarity, the Dolby audio, of course. So stay tuned for that. But for now, as overall the things, the looks, the features, and of course the bass, which is I must say it's huge bass, so I like it all. And let me tell you the price. This thing cost me around 9,000 on Flipkart, and also if you use your credit cards, you're gonna get lots of offer, and this thing can come down to like 7,500, like that. So that's it, and hope you're gonna like the video. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. So that's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.